What's up, you guys? So boy, Amazing Prosper. How you guys doing? So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I traded last week as a day trader. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing and turn on your notification. Let's go directly to this video. Let me show you guys how I traded my exit, my interest, and my mistakes and my profits. Last week was amazing. Yeah. So if you haven't joined our Telegram channel, I think that you are doing yourself a harm, because right there I also drop signals for free and share my thoughts and how I was behaving when I was trading. So the channel is all about trade signals and my thought process and everything that I'm doing whenever I'm trading. I do that over there. I share everything in my Telegram channel. So do join. It's free. Don't charge anything for signals. They are free. So whenever I'm making profits, we're making profit. Whenever I'm making losses, we're making losses. So join my Telegram channel on the description below. Use them. So if you're looking for a broker, I recommend SS. They are good both in withdrawing and depositing. They are fast. Let's go directly to this video. Let me show you guys how I traded. Let's go.
So guys, welcome to the chat. Amazing. Yeah. So my first trade was here, right here. So that was on Tuesday. Remember, I don't trade on Monday, so I trade only on Tuesday. Yeah, so on Tuesday, I entered the trade here. I was looking for a buy opportunity right here. I got in, and you can see the market here. You can see I got with 2 positions here. I don't like getting in much position until I see a confirmation that the market is going to be going aggressively to my direction where I'm expecting it to go before I would start more. So here was a place that I got into position 0.10, 0.10. So the market did not enter this high, and the market came down to hit my break even. Yeah, you can see that I have 2 positions. I lost about $6.14 right there. So the market hit my break even, because as the market moved up from this side, so I locked up to get in more. It's immediately this flashed down and it hit my break even, and I lost that money. I lost about $6 here. You can see on my Telegram channel I sent the signal and I said break even hit. So the next one was here, which is on Wednesday. So I was buying GJ here. You can see this chart that I posted on Wednesday. My stop loss was below this psychology level, which is right here. So my stop loss was 188.99. so let me adjust this. So let me show you guys. So this is where my stop loss was, right here, 91. So this was my stop loss level. So my stop loss was here. You can see this is just 22 point something pips here. So I got in there and I was expecting a buy opportunity. This is one of the trades that I hate so much, because I didn't make money from this trade, and it was a very neat trade. So I learned many things from this trade. So I usually tell people that in trading you have one thing, which is you learn every single day. So when you are trading, you are learning. Some people don't understand this. The outcome doesn't really matter. What matters is that day, do you follow your trading plan? So the outcome is a result of a result of repetition. So the outcome doesn't, for me, the outcome doesn't matter. But successful trade is a trade that you follow your trading plan. Even if you lose money or you made money, do you follow your trading plan? If you follow your trading plan and you made money, that's fine. If you not follow your trading plan and you made money, that is very, very wrong, because in the long run it's going to affect your psychology, because you will think that that's the right way, which is that's not the right way. So here, this trade messed up my psychology and I lost money here, which is the trade was a very good trade. Just see. So the reason why I didn't like this trade much was because the trade wasn't on a psychology level. That's why I was skeptical. I wasn't fully in on this trade, and I lost money. I lost a lot of money. You can see that I have a lot of stack here. I have a lot of stack here, because you know that there is a 2-line bounce here. The trade is supposed to move from here. Trying to be conservative, because I know that it's not on a psychology level. So I exited the trade because I was expecting it to come down to this place. So you can see break even hit. Yeah, so I exited the trade by myself. Yeah, but I wrote break even hit because it's also break even, because I was thinking that this thing is going to come down here. So one of the things that I learned from this trade is that when you are trading, you don't have to think. Nothing. Don't think while you are in trade. Think before you get into the trade. Yeah, so I lost money here because I was thinking, and it affects my psychology so well because I shouldn't have lost that money. This is about $21.95. That's a lot of money there. So I lost it here. You can see what I said here on my Telegram channel because I tried to tell you guys my psychology when I was trading, the reason why I lost my trade. So I'm using my Telegram channel as a kind of journal, in as much as I have my journal where I journal my trades, but I also use this as a kind of journal to tell you my thinking process and how I was thinking when I was trading. You can see what I posted later in the day when I stopped trading that day. I said learn this. I have issue with what I have learned so far. Most time my trade signals are correct, but I want it to play out the way I know. But the market is dynamic, it's always changing. I know all these things, but trading, you can't be perfect. You are not a robot. We are human beings. We have feelings and we have the ability to make changes any moment, any time. So that was the reason why I didn't hold myself very well. My stop loss region, the market did not reach my stop loss region, which is here. The market just moving. If I was here and I didn't exit my trades, I could have made a lot of money. You can see hit the psychology level and I could have made a lot of money. So I lost that money, $21 from there. So the next one was on Thursday, which is here. So I made money here. Here was another one. I was selling here. I sold GG here. I sold GG here. That was the reason why I have this and have this. So I sold GG there. The first trade that I took was a sell trade. Yeah, but I entered 3 position, which is the one that you are seeing right here. So I entered 3 position and I didn't wait for the trade to play out very well. So what I learned from here this week, what I'll be doing is that if I enter trade that is on a psychology level, I'm going to be exiting my trade on the next psychology level. There is nothing that is going to make me not to hold that trade to the next psychology level. It's either the trade hit my stop loss or my break even, but for me, I must hold the trade to reach the next psychology level. So this was the trade I made about. I exited the trade because I was seeing some certain things, but the trade did not hit my stop loss, and I exited the trade the same way. This is not productivity. For me, it is not productivity. I am doing a mistake that could have been avoided, but I was continuously making that mistake, which is not productivity. So this week, I'm going to correct all those things that I did. This was a buy opportunity too. So I made money from here. That was the money that I made here, $57. So you can see the one that I made money, 13, 17 here. So I made money, and which is here. All this one, so I made money from here. I made $7 from here. So here was on Friday, yeah, not Saturday, on Friday. So here was another one. So here I repeated what I did on Thursday. On Wednesday, I repeated all those things that I did, which is one of the things that I don't like here. So this is the lesson that I learned from this trade. I know that this market is going to have a bounce from here. So I was in here and I exited the trade. Once it gets to here, and I know that okay, it's going to be a reversal, maybe to this place, a push up. So I exited the trade. You can see I brought in with 2 positions and I didn't make a lot of money. I exited the trade and I didn't make a lot of money here because I know that it's going to be a bounce to the upside. So that bounce was what I was expecting, but I thought that it's going to take out this high, but it didn't take out the height, and I didn't bother to get in again, and I saw this push down. So the lesson I learned from this trade is that I'm not going to be taking any trade, or even if I get into a trade, I will never exit my trade until you get to a psychology level here. That was my trade last week, and the strategy that I use is very simple. Some of you guys know my strategy. What I use is, you can see this place, W. So I use what I call M and W pattern, double top and double bottom pattern. That's what I use. Anywhere that you see that I'm getting, you can see here, you can see M pattern. Here you can see multiple of W pattern here. Here you can see a mini M here. So anywhere that you see that I'm getting in a trend, you can see a chart pattern. Sorry, you can see a chart pattern there. Anyway, just check out my trade. You can see anywhere that I'm getting in, you can see a chart pattern over there. over here. So here was last 2 weeks. I was expecting the market to come back here for me to get in for a sell, but the market did not do that. So the next one is trend line. So I use trend line to trade. So my trend line is very simple. You can see here, let's go to the 4 hours so that the candles can be bold and the market can be okay. So here you can see here, so see my trend line. I have this big one that is coming from bottom, maybe like daily. Is where you can see it very well. So I have this big one. There's a lot of trend line here. This one is coming from down, maybe weekly or monthly time frame. From there you can see this one, see this one, see this one. So the relevant ones that I want to show you guys is this one, So you can see from there I pick it up to the future. So you can see a bounce here, a bounce here, a bounce to here, and you see another mini one. So there is a lot of trend line inside. There is a main trend line, mini trend line, and micro trend line inside trend line here. So that's it, this one and this one. So the next thing that I use to trade is psychology levels. So you can see psychology level 191.500, 191.191.000. That's the psychology level. See the next one, 190.500. The next one. So here below here you can see another one, 19.000. This is it. So from 190.00 to this place is going to be 50 pips. If it's above 50 pips, you are wrong. If it's below 50 pips, you are also wrong. You have to be 50 pips. So that's simple, and that's how I traded last week. And so this week GJ is on a bullish trend. There is nothing much here, and there is nothing much to say about GJ. GJ is on a bullish trend, so whatever you are doing, expect a bullish trend. But so far the market has been having a resistance zone. Here has been a resistance, but if you look on the 4-hour candle, which is 4-hour time frame where I am right now, you can see that it has been doing a series of higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows. So here is a low, which if it doesn't take out this place and retest here, that means it's going to drop. So but finger crossed, nobody know what is going to happen there, but the market is going to show us. So here, if this market come back to this zone and start reversing, then we are going to look for a sell opportunity once it breaks out this trend line. But if it doesn't do that and take out this high, that means we're going to wait for a retest on this psychology level, then we are taking it to the upside. So that's all. So for the news, this is news for the week. So let's change this thing to this week. Here, apply. So this week you apply. So let's check if there is any news coming up. So from this is not this week. No, this is not this week. Okay, this week. I don't know why is it not happening. Oh, today is 27. So I don't know what is wrong with it. Okay, this is it. 27 Tuesday, Monday 20. Okay, today is 26. So Monday 26, 27 Tuesday. So on Tuesday we have a high impact news on USD. On Wednesday we also have a high impact news on Wednesday by 2:30, Tuesday 2:30 the same time. On Thursday we have a high impact news on USD also 2:30 p.m. So on Friday we have a high impact news again by 4 p.m. on Friday. So that's all guys.
Yeah guys, so thank you for watching this video. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, turn your notification, like this video, I really mean it, like it, comment what you think and what you think that I can do to improve myself in my trading career. Do that, comment. I have shown you guys my chart, how I traded. If you think anything that is going to help me, don't hesitate, just comment. I will likely and I'll be happy to follow through. Let's go. See you.